Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Add it up. Huh. Yeah. Back when the boom bap knocked out the system. Corner store profits, young minds trying to listen. Fins on the pavement, but they up low. Clouds in the sky, but the stress stay below. Ash on the concrete, dreams in rotation. Passing around, hope with a blunt of motivation. Mind elevate when the baseline breathe. Every rhyme written felt like freedom to me. Brown paper stack with the truth inside. Lessons learned just to stay alive. No algorithm, no screen to scroll. Just to be the thought in control of the soul. High since the 90s, mind still floating. Classic boom bap, got time, slow motion. Smoke in the room, let the realness ride. Still see the world through a red-eye sky. High since the 90s, never came down. Old school sound, let it spin right now. From the block to the clouds, yeah, we still survive. High since the 90s, feeling more alive. Late night ciphers in the parked out ride. Radio static with the stars outside. Windows cracked just to let the haze breeze. Every verse heavy like a memory. No filters, no edits, all true spoken. Every ball hit like a promise broken. Learn real fast what the streets demand. Either hold your ground or become the sand. Baseline thump like a heart still beating. Even when the odds say stop believing. We wrote our names where the walls could see. Legacy carved in the smoke we breathe. High since the 90s, mind still floating. Classic boom bap, got time, slow motion. Smoke in the room, let the realness ride. Still see the world through a red-eye sky. High since the 90s, never came down. Old school sound, let it spin right now. From the block to the clouds, yeah, we still survive. High since the 90s, feeling more alive. Inhale patience, exhale fear. Every setback made the vision clear. No fake love, no shiny lies, just truth roll tight. Watch it rise, now extreme the sound, but they miss the feel. When the stripper made up music real, every beat dusty, every word earned. Distance in the stars that the streets confirms. Still keep it burning through my head, stay high. Elevated thoughts in the city sky. History loop when the needle drop. Though they never echo, let the system nod. High since the 90s, still maintain. Same slow flow through the smoke and pain. Classic boom bap to the end of time. High since the 90s, still stay in my mind. The light is flickering deep. Distorted baseline creeps in. Queens to Brooklyn. Back to the bricks. Pop the cap. Spark the light. I'm on the corner where the street lights flicker and die. Put the hoodie on my head and the look in my eye. Got the 40-ounce cold condensation on the glass while I'm breaking down the eighth, trying to make the magic last. It's that 94 flavor, baddie denim, lug boots. Planting seeds in the pavement, watching them take roots. The smoke billows up like a ghost in the hallway. Drug dealers, dream stealers, doing it the hard way. I sip the malt liquor, let the bitter hit my tongue. Exhale the heavy cloud, coughing out a black lung. The cops roll by, slow motion, sirens muted in the war-torn zip code. Everything's polluted, but this bond is my scepter. This corner is my throne in the concrete jungle. I'm never truly alone. It's the 40-ounce bottle and the eighth in the rack. Living life in the middle of a beautiful trap. One hand on the glass, one hand on the heat. Just a hazy eye soldier on a one-way street. Yeah, the liquid in the leaf. That's the recipe, son. Put the smoke in the swallow, the damage is done. My vision's getting blurry, but my aim is still true. Mixing St. Ives brew with the sticky in the blue. We talk about the heights and the brothers in the cage. Writing street Bibles on the yellow line page. The sky's turning purple, or maybe that's the weed. Counting crumpled up 10, satisfying the greed. I seen them come and go, seen them fold, seen them fall. Writing rest in peace murals on a brick face wall. But the smoke acts as a veil, keeps the demons at bay. While I'm drinking to the ones who didn't make it today. Another sip for the fall, another pour for the pain. In the city, get a mess, we all dancing in the rain. From the project rooftop to the basement floor. Keep the 40-ounce pouring and we roll up some more. Yeah, keep it spinning. Pass that over here. Now the cream one. Stay thirsty, stay high, stay dangerous. 40 in the 8th, it's a lifestyle.
church, soul floating high where the preachers perch. My lungs are the temple, the bones the choir, and I'm preaching loud from the psychoactive scriptures. Roll that page, let the smoke get thicker. Yeah, praise the leaf, let the spirit linger. Yeah, words get lit, minds grow quicker. Yeah, Cypress Hill, psychoactive scripture. Now my thoughts float heavy like clouds in confession. Every puff of sin, every exhale a lesson. The incense burning, the world starts spinning. Can't tell if it's God or the weed that's winning. Eyes half closed, I decode the smoke. Truth in the haze every time I talk. Hear the spirits talk through the vinyl hits, saying real prophets get high like this. My pen bleeds resin, my rhymes the psalm. Weed in my lungs, peace in my palm. You want salvation, come a little quicker. Light that blunt, read the psychoactive scriptures. Roll that page, let the smoke get thicker. Yeah, praise the leaf, let the spirit linger. Yeah, words get lit, minds grow quicker. Yeah, Cypress Hill, psychoactive scripture. Orale, this that holy smoke. This that fire the saints provoke. Ain't no preacher higher than this. No psalm deeper than a bong hit bliss. You reading smoke signs, I'm reading your vibe. One more puff and your soul come alive. It's that chronic gospel, that real life scripture. We don't write the truth, we twist and lift. Yeah, I'm a prophet in the cloud, no need for fame. My scriptures are strain, my Bible's a flame. Every puff I take, I rewrite my fate. Through smoke, I meditate and levitate. Hear the static coming, sound so divine. The herb is the ink that rewires the mind. My sermons are sticky, my psalms all fire. These are the words of the psychoactive empire. I see halos of smoke, angelic and thick. Holy rotation, every hit slick. It's the doctrine of the high, the spiritual mixture. Cypress Hill, delivering the psychoactive scriptures. Roll that page, let the smoke get thicker. Yeah, praise the leaf, let the spirit linger. Words get lit, minds grow quicker. We teach.
Yeah, when we were young, we was rolling up strong. Blunts in the air, smoke clouds all day long. Laughing with the homies, the beats went on. Feeling that vibe, man, life was a song. When we were young, yeah, the sun was hot, the weed was fire. Yeah, we was just chasing that good desire.
Yeah, no, I remember that day on the hill. Pack the bong tight, take a hit, stay still. Eyes red, but the world looked bright. We was kings of the smoke under Cali sunlight. Music bumping, the bassline raw. Feeling every beat through the floor we saw. Roll another blunt, let the memory spin. Before the fame, before the sin. Homies laughing, good vibe flowing. Smoke circles in the sky keep growing. No worries, no pain, just peace in the zone. Back when the world felt like home.
When we were young, we was rolling up strong. Blunts in the air, smoke clouds all day long. Laughing with the homies, the beats went on. Feeling that vibe, man, life was a song. When we were young, the sun was hot, the weed was fire. We was just chasing that good desire.
Hey, yo, I'm talking good times, barrio dreams, old school rides, chrome that gleam, bumping insane, we lit that green. Cypress Hill smoke, you know what I mean. Be real, light it up, I pass it back. Feeling that hit like a heart attack, but in a good way. Energy flow, laughing so hard we forgot to roll slow. People in the park, sunshine gleam. It felt like living inside a dream. Now we older, but that vibe still strong. Forever young when we hit that bomb.
When we were young, we was rolling up strong. Blunts in the air, smoke clouds all day long. Laughing with the homies, the beats went on. Feeling that vibe, man, life was a song. When we were young, yeah, yeah, when we were young. Still feel that high.
talk about the devil. Come on.
They call it the devil's harvest, growing in the dark.
We call it the sacred spot.
They see your wicked omen, tearing your soul apart.
We just see a piece of art,
They
yeah.
point the crooked finger, say it's where the madness starts.
Just the way we hit wrist hard. Yeah. Twisting up the wicked leaf, the one they demonize. Paranoia creeping under government disguise. Smoke fills the function. Got them bloodshot eyes, but my vision's crystal clear. I see through all the lies the politicians preaching. Venom in his speech, while the real poisons in the lessons that they teach keep you locked inside a box, just out of mental reach. I'm on the outside looking in, puffing on the peach. Fuzzy-headed logic from the man in the suit. He profits from the prisons, that forbidden fruit. I'm with the soul assassins, planting a new root. So when you see the smoke rise up, better give a
Call
salute.
it the devil's harvest, growing in the dark.
We call it the sacred spot.
They see a wicked omen, tearing your soul apart.
We just see a piece of art.
They point the crooked finger, say it's where the madness starts.
Just the way we hit restart.
Alright, let's step on back, Vato, let the garden grow. From the block in Southgate to the East LA show. This ain't no evil seed here, it's all my people know. A little bit of yerba when the vibes are getting low. It's in the task force, kicking in the damn door. Looking for a demon, but we ain't keeping score. For a little bit of green, what you getting crazy for? It's the same plant that your granddaddy grew before the war. So get your hands off the crop, this is the people's stash. They wanna burn the culture, turn it all to ash. But the roots run deep, man, we're built to last. This ain't the devil's work, it's a blast from the past.
The reefer madness,
Just straight up gladness.
they feed you pure static.
We puff the magic.
Breaking down the lies they told you. Cypress Hill, the funky soldier. Enter the dimension of the funky field mind. See the sound waves ripple, leaving sanity behind the propaganda posters. They were designed to keep you blind, but this green unlocks the temple. This is sacred fine. They wanna keep you nervous, filled with doubt and dread. Another psycho beta cranial trip inside my head. I hear the whispers of the things that were never said, while the smoke dragon sleeping heavy on my bed. So reap what you sow, that's the holy creed. This ain't about the evil, it's about the need to elevate your spirit, plant a different seed. Let the harvest come and let the real mind be freed. PSA voice, insanity. Devil's harvest, local, local. The harvest, the harvest.
Yeah. Ancient smoke, eternal fire. Stone Age ritual. Step into the circle. Yeah, yeah.
Stone Age rituals, fire in the pit. Light another torch, watch the shadows as they split. Skulls in the circle, the drums never quit. High with the spirits, we were born for this trip. Carved on the walls, hieroglyphs in my head. Visions in the smoke, talking with the dead. Bones on the ground where the prophets all bled. Torch in my hand, let the fire paint red. Hallucinations spin like a serpent in the grass. Whispers from the ashes when the ancients pass. Stone face idols with the shadow in the glass. Every puff I take, I'm connected to the past. Stone Age rituals, fire in the pit. Light another torch, watch the shadows as they split. Skulls in the circle, the drums never quit. High with the spirits, we were born for this trip. March through the smoke where the dead still breathe. Secrets in the haze, only real ones perceive. Kush in the chalice, prophecy to weave. Third eye open, got a vision up my sleeve. Stone drums echo like thunder in the cave. Mind runs wild like a soul I can't save. Voices in the wind tell me never be a slave. Ritual complete when the blunt hits the grave. Circle of the fire, the night turns cold. Ancient cannabis stories retold.